Today we are going to review the Tamiya Sturmtiger kit in 35th scale. As you can see, the box is well made and has a beautiful full-color image of the vehicle on a simple white background. The vehicle depicted is shown in a simple German 3-color camouflage pattern and does not feature any Zimmerit. There are some other angles of the vehicle listed on the side as well. Let's take a look at the contents and see what kind of quality the kit's parts have. As you can see, their kit includes several spurs. We will go over each of these in closer detail after we review the box's contents. There are several sprues that each contain the individual pieces that will make up the tracks of the vehicle, as well as a simple bathtub-style hull. There are also sprues that have the parts for the suspension and details such as the upper hull. Starting with the upper hull, you can see that they put a lot of detail into the kit. The upper hull is cast as a single slide molded piece, and there are no major ejector pin marks visible on the outside of the parts. This sprue also contains the parts for the figure and the gun mantlet as well as the rear of the vehicle. Overall, the parts are clean and should not require a lot of cleanup before assembly. As you can see, one small piece did become detached, but it is not damaged. Now, taking a look at the lower hull, there does appear to be a single ejector pin mark on the bottom of the piece. But this will both be easy to fix and out of sight, so it should not be a serious issue to correct. Otherwise, the quality of the part is excellent, and they did an excellent job with the details on the part. Now to take a closer look at the sprue for the track pieces. As you can see, each piece was molded separately and is highly detailed. The instructions indicate the proper assembly technique, and it appears that as long as you take your time, they should go together easily and look much better than the traditional rubber band style tracks. Taking a closer look at some of the parts. As you can see, the sprue is clean and the parts are clear of flash and are highly detailed. It is very clear that Tamiya's molds are very high quality and that the end result is better off for it. The shells are slide molded and cast in a single piece to avoid seams once assembled. Taking a look now at the wheels and drive sprockets. This vehicle has the same wheel type as the Tiger one, and each wheel is cast cleanly and highly detailed. The sprockets are all well made without any flash or obvious flaws. This sprue also contains some of the smaller accessories such as grab handles as well. The kit comes with a very minimal water slide sheet with only a couple of simple designs. If you want to add the normal German markings, it appears that you will have to either purchase them separately or use a stencil. Overall, the kit is fantastic quality. The number of parts may be a little bit high if you are a newer modeler, but with patience the kit should go together very easily. My final grade for this kit is a solid A. The only thing I really think that is lacking is a larger variety of included marking options. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and if you found it helpful, please consider giving me a like or subscribing. We will be building this model in an upcoming video series as well. And remember, you can build models too.